Hi, and welcome to a Sonicwall Firewall video tutorial. My name is Micah Vorst. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set up the feature called DPI SSL on a Sonicwall firewall. This video will cover initial setup and testing only. We'll discuss advanced features in later videos. We'll first configure DPI SSL on the firewall, and then install the firewall certificate on the end user that we'll be testing from. When enabling DPI SSL, the firewall will intercept certificate requests from the end user and replace them with its own. This allows the firewall to inspect the traffic for malware and threats before sending it back to be re-encrypted. As with any new deployment, when first configuring DPI SSL, it's recommended to start with a small install base and then widen the audience. For this demo, I'll be using an NSA 6650 on SonicOS 6.5.2 firmware. We'll first check to see if we're licensed for DPI SSL by navigating to Manage Licenses. We'll go ahead and scroll down a little bit and confirm that we do have DPI SSL enabled. If your service is not licensed, you can log into your mysonicwall.com account and activate the license. Back on the firewall, we can enable DPI SSL by going to Manage, Decryption Services, DPI SSL/TLS Client, and then selecting Enable SSL Client Inspection. For this demo, we'll select Gateway Antivirus, and later test downloading the ICAR virus, which is a fake virus meant for testing antivirus solutions. Next, click the Certificate tab. As noted on the page, this certificate will replace the original certificate signing authority and must be trusted by the firewall. If you're using your own certificate, you must first upload it to the firewall and then mass deploy to your end users. A few mass deployment options include contacting Sonicwall's professional services team, creating a group policy in domain environments, or using Sonicwall's Capture Client software to push certificates to the end user. We'll download the default 2048-bit certificate and use it on the end user. Next, we'll click the Objects tab and include our test PC. I've already created an address object called EndUser. We'll find and select it. That's about it for setup for basic DPI SSL functionality. We'll click Accept and then restart the firewall. Once the firewall has been restarted, we'll log in and navigate to our Gateway Antivirus Security Services and enable it. Navigate to Manage, Security Services, and then Gateway Antivirus. Click on Enable Gateway Antivirus and click Accept. We'll also allow for the ICAR test virus by configuring Gateway AV settings and deselecting Disable Detection of ICAR Test Virus. Once we're done, we'll hit OK. Lastly, we'll confirm that Gateway Antivirus is enabled on the LAN zone by going to Network, Zones. Good. We can see that the LAN zone has Gateway Antivirus enabled. Let's jump over to the end user. We'll install the certificate and perform a few tests to confirm all is working as expected. Once on the end user's PC, we'll need to install the root certificate. We'll right-click the certificate that we recently downloaded and select Install Certificate. We'll open it up, go through the prompts. We're going to place it directly in the Trusted Root Certification Authorities store. We'll select OK and Finish. Once the import is successful, we can test going to the internet. If you're using Firefox, you'll need to import the certificate in the Firefox certificate store by clicking Options, Privacy and Security, scrolling all the way down to View Certificates, and then import the Sonicwall certificate under the Authorities store. Okay, we're all set. If we go to a secure site, we can click the certificate icon and confirm that the firewall is acting as the certificate authority. We'll select the certificate, hit View, and confirm that the Sonicwall is now inspecting the connection. This is important to confirm. If the top-level certificate was not the firewall certificate, then we know that DPI SSL is either not turned on or that there is an exclusion when going to this site. Let's try to download the iCar test virus by going to icar.org and then download. We're there right now. We're going to go ahead and select the download file that's over SSL or HTTPS, which is going to take advantage of DPI SSL services. We're going to click the first option, icar.com, and then see if it downloads. We can see that the connection has been reset and the download fails. If we go to the firewall, we'll be able to confirm that the logs have truly blocked the iCar virus. Great. We can see that the block was successful, and because we've enabled DPI SSL, it was able to inspect the encrypted traffic to successfully block the virus. I hope this tutorial was helpful. To learn more about configuring Sonicwall products, visit www.sonicwall.com/support.